Behind the comfort and ease of every hotel guest stay is a team of dedicated staff. From the moment one checks in to the moment they leave, every whim and fancy is taken care of. At Federal Hotel, Malaysia's first international class hotel, the tradition of excellence in hospitality has ensured its prominence in the country's progression. Built in 1957, the hotel has since become a landmark in the nation's capital of Kuala Lumpur.
This hotel was built for the independent. During the 1957 or before 57, there were no proper hotel like international class hotel. So mostly a rest house or the Rumah Tumbangan. Those are small hotels. But later that when we were going for independent, the first Prime Minister, Tunku Abdul Rahman, approached our founder, that is late Tan Sri Lauyat, to build a hotel for this Merdeka celebration. So this is how this hotel was built. And mainly it's built for the VIP who come to witness our celebration of the Merdeka. And this is the first international class hotel in whole of Malaya at that time.
While other establishments situated in the city's central business district have come and gone, Federal Hotel remains one of the best in Malaysian hospitality. This is largely due to its commitment in providing its guests with exceptional service and value. Usually, the kitchen staff is the first to arrive and the last to leave. In the kitchen of the veranda, chefs, sous chefs and kitchen helpers start preparing for the day as early as 4 a.m. in the morning.
To organize the kitchen in the operation, daily operation, and then planning a menu and staffing and meeting with management. We received the event order from sales 1 week before. Then we sit down and plan out the butcher things 3 days in advance to come in and then do the preparation. And for the salad and cooking one is 1 day before.
Listed as one of Malaysia's most beautiful restaurants, the Mandarin Palace offers fine Chinese dining amidst a resplendent setting of dragons and phoenixes.
There is 1,189 dragons, yet Fat Cow, it means the long prosperity. Now this decoration is for phoenix, like a dynasty, like a palace. It's very comfortable and suitable for wedding or any function.
很多都是以前来吃过，以前的妈妈、爸爸，现在是轮到孩子来，因为我们这边的历史也很久了，大概有40多50年了。午餐的时间是12点到2点半，和晚餐是6点半到10点半。礼拜六、礼拜天我们有特别的香港点心，就早茶，我们就一般上是10点半就开始，一直到2点半。而我们的广东的菜肴有很多，大概有50-60种，而四川的我们有30-40种，还有湖南的我们也有20多种。如果是说点心的话，我们香港点心有60多70种。
Another restaurant which has seen the growth of the city is the Bintang Revolving Restaurant, the first of its kind in Malaysia. The restaurant offers a spectacular view of Kuala Lumpur's skyline. The quality of the dining experience is extended beyond the walls of the restaurants into the privacy and comfort of the guest rooms.
From the rooms, they will call to the room service department. Then they will order whatever they want to eat. And the room service department, they will, after making all the food and all that, cooking all the food, then they will use a trolley to send up to the room. So when they send up to the rooms, they will ring the bell, and then they will say room service to notify the guests that we are from the room service department.
As the room division manager, Nancy carries the responsibility of turning Federal Hotel into a welcome home away from home for its guests.
We have two departments. One is the front office, and the other one is the housekeeping department. So front office department is mostly reservation, check-in and check-out, and with the porter service. Whereas the housekeeping department is the room cleaning and public area.
Ultimately, the force behind every successful long-running enterprise is its staff. To ensure a high level of service, the management of Federal Hotel takes great care in choosing the right and suitable people.
Different posts have different criteria, but the main criteria we need is, of course, hardworking, definitely we need, and also we need is more like customer service, courteous, friendly, smiling. This is The most important is for the hotel. When we employ them, firstly, we check whether they have experience. If they do have experience, then it's much more easier for us to guide them. But those who are without experience, we need more time to guide them. Then, of course, we give training.
A unique, nostalgic charm coupled with dedication and a genuine smile, Federal Hotel will continue to leave a lasting impression not only to their guests, but also to the community.